The following message is transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for the city of Denver and the entire state of Colorado. All residents in the city of Denver, get to your homes now at approximately 7:25 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. There have been many reports of people disappearing from outside the city. We do not know why people are disappearing, but the Denver Police Department will figure out the situation. All residents are advised to get to your homes now. Please lock all doors and windows. Keep your children away from strangers at all time. If you see anyone who is looking suspicious, call 911. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department and the National Center for Missing Exploited Children. An Amber Alert has been issued for the city of Denver and the entire state of Colorado at approximately 10:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. 2 children have gone missing from their homes. The first child's name is Liam Johnson, a white male, age 8, with brown hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a red shirt, blue jeans, and black tennis shoes. The second child's name is Lucy Smith, a white female, age 8, with black hair and black eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink shirt, blue jean, pink Crocs, and a hat that says Happy Valentine's Day. The 2 children are in extreme danger. They were believed to be each other's Valentines. The person who was responsible for the abduction has not been identified yet, but police officers have managed to track down footprints on the ground. It is unknown if the suspect is armed or not, but the Colorado Police Department are still investigating the situation on who was kidnapping citizens. All residents are advised to close and lock all doors and windows. Please barricade all entrance to prevent anyone who was breaking in. Keep your children safe from strangers at all time. If you see anyone who was kidnapping citizens or children, call 911 immediately. Please stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. A civil emergency message has been issued for the city of Denver and the entire state of Colorado. The situation involving the missing citizens and the child abduction have gotten way worse. Now people are reporting that residents were found dead inside their homes. Their whole head was completely cut off of their bodies. The individual who is responsible for this has still not been identified. The 2 children that were abducted from their homes were found dead in a trash can. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. All residents are strongly advised to close and lock all doors and windows at all time. Barricade all entrance to prevent anyone who tries to break in. Please do not go outside during this time, or you will risk yourself being in danger. If you see anyone who is trying to break into any house, call 911 immediately. If the suspect breaks into your home, use any weapon at all time. This includes legal forces. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. A civil danger warning has been issued for the city of Denver and the entire state of Colorado. All residents in the city of Denver, get to your homes now. At approximately 1:25 p.m., Mountain Daylight Time, more people have started to go disappeared, and more people have died from their house. The suspect who is responsible for the deaths has finally been identified. The suspect is not just one person, but a whole group of boys with loaded guns and knives. The group is in the age between 16 and 18. The group was last seen leaving a house with their knives covered in blood. Police officers are tracking down the group to stop them from murdering citizens. All residents are strongly advised to get to your homes now. Close and lock all doors and windows. Barricade all entrance with strong materials during this time. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. Turn off all lights, and don't make any noise. If you see the group of boys anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the group breaks into your home, use any weapon at all time. This includes legal force. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 3:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, it was now been confirmed that the group of boys have planted a nuclear bomb in the center of the city of Denver, and it is expected to detonate within the next 40 minutes. The group of boys were last seen stealing a car and driving away from the bomb. If this bomb reached the time, the whole state of Colorado will be completely destroyed. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be approached. The location of the group of boys is currently unknown at this time. Police officers are going to track the location of the car and capture the group of boys. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate the city immediately. Please gather the necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery power or hand crank radio.
The bomb squad has been called in order to defuse the bomb. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. Police officers have successfully arrested the group of boys. They will be serving it to 2 years in jail for their crimes. The reason on why they did this, it's because they have no girlfriend for their Valentines. They had enough of being single, and they went on a rampage. They realized that even though they don't have no one, they can invite their friends to hang out with them to feel better and great. All of the missing citizens were found safe in an abandoned apartment. You are now free to leave your shelter. It will take approximately a year and 6 months to repair all the damage the group of boys caused. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All the EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupted your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instruction will follow.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate with the emergency alert system during this emergency. Most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is KDVR. We will continue to serve the Denver area. If you are not in the Denver area, you should now tune into station providing news and information for your area. This is the emergency alert system, broadcasting the Denver area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency uses. The emergency alert system has been activated. Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the President himself, and the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Colorado is done. I repeat, Colorado is done. The bomb squad had failed to defuse the bomb that was planted by the group of boys in the center of the city of Denver. The nuclear bomb is going to activate within the next few seconds. We are so sorry for letting Valentine's Day becoming a disaster. There's nothing we can do to stop the nuclear bomb from exploding. All we can do now is to brace ourselves for the end of our state. Our residents must gather with friends and family. Tell them how much you love them, including your Valentines. We want you guys to know that it's about friends and family who care for you. No matter what happens, they always love you. We'll now sign off with the final broadcast. Stay tuned for the final broadcast in the emergency alert system. Goodbye everyone. Happy Valentine's Day.